Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So today I'm gonna be teaching you on how to create a thumbnail. So first thing you need to do is to open your YouTube, and then after opening your YouTube you need to post a video in which you must display it unlisted. It's because unlisted is something that you are not going to post public. Only you can see it. It's because you need to edit it before making it on public. So first thing and foremost, you need to have this application called YouTube Studios or YT Studio. It's because this application is the one that makes on how to make a thumbnail. And if you already have the application, please press your video that you posted unlisted, and then after pressing it you need to go edit, and then after editing it you can see the edit thumbnail, and then you can choose whatever thumbnail you want. After pressing it or looking for the thumbnail that you wanted, please press the save button, and then after pressing the save button, and that's all how it goes, because that is the thing that you wanted to do. I'm gonna do it again, and then that one, then select, and then saving changes. After saving changes, you can now see your thumbnail there. As you can see, let me check it on YouTube. So let me refresh it again. There you have it, and then let's check it on YouTube again, and there you have it. So thank you for watching.